In this video, I'm going to tell you something you don't know about uploading. And this thing I'm going to tell you is what no one has ever told you before. So on YouTube, there are a lot of videos that teaches about the best way to upload. And I've been able to watch some of them. And I've come to see that most of them doesn't really have, a clear explanation about the best way to upload videos. So in this video, I'm going to help you, explain the best way that you can upload your video so that your video will go viral. And your video going viral also means your channel will get more visibility. So if you really want to help your channel to grow, or if you want to grow your channel, so please stay to the end of this video so that the thing I will be unfolding all through this video, you can easily benefit from it. And the last point I'll be talking about this video will shock you. So wait to the end of this video so that you can get all the benefits about this video. Hey friends, my name remains Philip, and if you love what I do, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. If you are a new person to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. It's one way you support me never to give up. And if you have been here with me all this while, please watch to the end of this video. All right, let's rock and roll. I've watched many videos on YouTube that talks about uploading. Many of them will just record a tutorial to take you through the process of uploading video, the step-by-step of how you can best upload your YouTube video. But many of them, most of them have missed the real explanation to how your video can go viral. The truth is, you'll be doing it kind of okay based on what you learned so far from those videos. But the truth is, there's still something missing that you must know about the best way to upload. So in this video, I'm just going ahead to explain it to you. So I'm just going to be reviewing some of those things I've learned from those videos that talks about uploading. Recently, I watched a video that taught you that, immediately you upload your video, do not make it public. Wait for some time before you make it public. Well, it might be okay, but that is totally not, true. Be you upload your video and you make it public immediately after the upload, or you make it private and after then make it public later on, or you make it unlisted and after a short time you can then make it public. It doesn't really matter how you go about it. That is not a yardstick that your video must go viral. It doesn't really matter. If you upload your video, YouTube algorithm will only take short time to understand what your video is all about. Even at that very point where the YouTube algorithm is trying to understand your video, YouTube algorithm is still doing its best to push it while it's trying to understand your video. So immediately you get a full vision or the full, thought about your video, then it can then push you to the best people that really needs your video. So it doesn't really matter how you set your video, either public, immediately, either unlisted or private. Anyhow you want it, you can do it. But the best I will tell you is to make your video public if you are uploading it at that very time. Unless when you are uploading your video in the afternoon and you want it to show in the evening, that is when you can, you can put your video on schedule. You get the logic. You schedule your video so that immediately it gets to that time, it can just become public. But if you want your video to show right now, as you upload it, you can place it on public. That video can also go viral with this process. I believe you get the logic. So the major thing I'm going to talk about in this video is how you upload your video. Another video I watched recently also explained that immediately you are uploading your video, do not edit everything in your video. Like, just only put a title on your video and then click upload. And after you've uploaded it and the video has become public, then you can go ahead and be adding other informations to your video. And that's where I comes in this video. So this is what I'm going to help you understand. So in programming, I've come to learn about what is called metadata. Metadata is, the kind of functionalities in programming that help your video to be shown to a lot of people. It helps in the SEO. to help your video go viral, or anything you are posting to help it go viral, to help it to be more seen by a lot of people. That is the help of metadata. So in the process while you are uploading your video and you only write the title and leave the rest information and then go ahead and upload it, in some way you are not helping your video. So what I'm trying to say is that where metadata comes in is try to feel everything. Do not rely on people telling you not to feel everything. Try to feel everything at the beginning, at the first time you are uploading your video. Anything that needs feeling, you need to feel it, so that immediately you upload a video, the metadata at first, at that beginning of the video, will send it to people that really needs your video. So the first synchronization when it comes to uploading your video is very helpful. So what I mean is, when everything is being packed into your video and you upload it, everything will be synced. You must have seen that immediately your video reach 100 while you are trying to upload it, after it reach 100, you see another additional line, coming up, and somehow is compiling your video. In another way, it is synchronizing everything you've been able to pack into that video. That first synchronization to that video is very helpful. It is very vital. Do not play with it. So after uploading your video, every other information you are bringing into your video is not as vital as the first time you synchronize your video. Is not as vital as the first time information you pack into your video while you uploaded them. So in summary, what I'm trying to talk about here is make everything ready for your video at the first upload, so that everything will sync into that video, and then the YouTube metadata can be able to understand your video perfectly well and send it out to people. Do not be the kind of person who only do let you at the first upload, and after the video are finished uploading, you can then go ahead and start re-editing that video. It is not the best approach to your video. So if you can follow this strategy, it means you are helping your video. It means you are also helping your channel. And lastly, please understand that you are a good content creator. The only thing that is holding you back or holding your channel or your video back is the YouTube upgrading. The YouTube upgrading has a lot of work to do. Every day, people do upload videos here. The YouTube upgrading has a lot of work to understand. Millions of videos that do come in every day. So it has a lot of work to understand them and to be able to recommend them to people that will watch them, that needs them. So do not give up. Keep uploading your video regularly, so that the YouTube upgrading will find your video and be able to recommend them to people that actually need them. And from that moment, your video or your channel will be known and visible to people, and every of your video will begin to go viral. You must have seen video that is not as good compared to yours and they are going viral. This is because the YouTube upgrading have find their video and it has recognized their channel. So for YouTube upgrading to understand your video and recognize your channel, you need to post consistently. Post video that resonate with people's need, and post video with good ideas, so that people who watch your video first time will be interested to go into your channel and watch more of your video. People need to trust your content. People need to enjoy your content. What you give to people needs to have value, so that people will always love to stick with you. So do not give up. Keep creating, and one day you and I will become successful here on YouTube. All right, my name remains Philip, and if you love what I do and if you got any value from this video, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. If you've already done that and you have any question for me regarding this video, please drop it on the comment section and I will respond to it promptly. All right, stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.